Imagine a world without poles or wires, where electricity flies through the sky like a laser. No more broken lines after storm, no fuel trucks crossing war zones. Sound like magic. In New Mexico last month, DARPA beamed 800 watts of power over 8.6 kilometers just using a laser. Today we dive into this wild experiment and how it could change everything. In 1901, Nikola Tesla built a 57-meter tower to send power around the planet. He believed energy could float through the air, no wires needed. But funding ran dry and his tower fell silent. Fast forward 120 years, DARPA Power program revived the dream. Their goal being real, usable electricity where it's needed instantly and wirelessly. DARPA stands for Defense Advanced Research Project Agency. They fund crazy, futuristic projects like turning sci-fi into reality. In 2023, Power first beamed 230 watt over 1.7 km for 25 seconds. Then they pushed to 3.7 km with smaller power level. Each test smashed all record and fueled their next push. Last month, at the High Energy Laser System test facility in New Mexico, they set a new record. A ground-based laser shot 800 watts of power over 5.3 miles for 30 seconds, enough energy to pop popcorn on site. Over the entire test campaign, they transferred more than 1 megajoule of energy. It's beyond doubt, we obliterated all previous demonstrations, said program manager Paul Jeff. Here's the tech in simple steps. A high-power laser fires a focus beam. The beam enters a small aperture in the receiver dome. Inside, it strikes a parabolic mirror that scatters light onto dozens of solar cells. Those cells convert the light back into electrical power. This receiver design achieved over 20% efficiency in shorter tests, and it was built in just 3 months. Why does this matter? In war zone, delivering fuel or batteries is slow and deadly. After disaster, hurricanes, earthquakes, power lines lie in ruins. Remote communities often live without electricity. With laser beaming, you could instantly light up any location, no wire, no convoy, no risk. This is not just lab magic, it's life-saving tech. DARPA's next goal is airborne relay on drones. Imagine fleets of drones beaming power across mountains. NASA even iSpace-based laser power for lunar bases. On Earth, your home could charge all devices from a rooftop laser. Electric vehicles might recharge in mid-air. The sky becomes the power grid. We are standing at the edge of a power revolution. From Tesla's abandoned tower to DARPA's desert lasers, the dream lives on. Would you trust electricity shooting through the air? Could this tech replace poles and wires in your lifetime? Drop your thoughts below. Smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing breakthroughs. Let's light up the future wire-free.